So on the server we've got the code that runs the plant, and this is a picture of the interface where you can do the programming. I've got two functions open here. One of them controls the valve, so that's function control for a standard valve, and another one controls a motor. So for example, in the valve code we can see there are variables that come into the function. There are variables that go out of the function, and there are other temporary variables. But the variable which actually sends a command to tell the valve what to do is called command, and we can see in the code this is where that variable is used. And if we look further down, this is where the value is assigned. So basically, when programming for industrial automation, we check for various status bits and auto conditions and interlocks, and then assign a value to the command. So if the value is true, then the command will be to open or close the valve. Similarly, for a motor, there's a similar set of variables with a command, and here we can see again that the auto status and the interlocks are checked before a value is assigned to the command to start the motor or to stop the motor. So this programming language is called instruction list, and it basically depends on skills such as Boolean algebra, Boolean logic, and an understanding of memory and how bits are used in logic is required. Similar to any programming language such as Python, although in Python, for example, you would be dealing more with real variables. Here you're dealing with variables more often than not on a bit level.